Hey art friends, this last weekend was Cinco de Mayo.
We hope you had a fun party.
Yeah, we had a fun party, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
And today we thought it would be fun to draw a piñata. We love piñatas.
Yep.
That's the funnest part of the Cinco de Mayo party. It's the piñata with all the candy.
Yes.
So we hope you have a marker and some paper and you're gonna follow along with us. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first gonna draw our piñata's eyeball and we're gonna draw a circle. Then we're gonna draw a smaller circle inside and color in the big circle black, but then leave that small circle white. Now we're gonna draw our piñata's ears and we're gonna draw a big A shape. We're gonna go up and then back down. Yeah, big. Then we're gonna draw the front of our piñata and it's gonna be a C shape. It's gonna come out and then back in. Now we're gonna make our piñata look 3D, so we need a second ear. We're gonna go up, right here, and then back down. And we're only drawing part of it because it's overlapping behind the first ear. Now we're gonna draw the neck. We're gonna draw a line that comes down, straight down, and we're gonna draw the back of the head and back of the neck. We're gonna draw a line that comes down like that. Now we could draw the chest. We're gonna draw a curve that comes down and curves in right at the bottom. Now I'm gonna draw this curve a little further down. There we go. Now we're gonna draw the first leg. We're gonna draw two lines right next to each other. And then down at the bottom, we're gonna connect it, but don't connect it with a straight line. Connect it with a curved line to make our piñata look round in 3D. Now let's draw the second front leg. We're gonna draw another line that comes down and it's shorter. And then we're gonna draw a curve that connects in. Now that's a simple way to draw a second leg because it's overlapping, so we only see part of it too, just like the ear. Now if we ever go too fast for our art friends, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need extra time to finish a step. All right, let's keep going. We're gonna draw the body next. We're gonna draw a short line for the belly, and then we're gonna draw a short line for the back. Now let's draw this back leg. We're gonna draw two lines right next to each other, just like we did for the front leg. And then we're gonna connect the bottom with a curve. Yeah, now let's draw that second or the fourth leg back here behind that other leg, the first one we drew. We're gonna draw a line down and then connect it in. It's repeating that same step that we did over here. Now back here, let's finish the rest of his body. We're gonna draw a curve that comes down and connects to the back of the leg. It looks like a piñata, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We need to add a few more details to make it look even cooler. First, let's draw the tail for our piñata. We're gonna draw a wavy line that comes down. Looks like a streamer, a bunch of streamers connected. So we're gonna draw another curve. Look at this, wavy line, and it matches that first one we did. Then we're gonna connect it at the bottom. Okay, now let's draw another one right next to it, and this one can change. You can draw it different. See how the wave is actually different than the other one. That makes it look messy. And then we're gonna connect that in. And let's draw another one that's back here behind this one. And this one I'm gonna draw a little longer. Yeah, and then if you have extra room, draw the side of it. So draw another wave that matches it. Mine's really close, so I'm just gonna draw one wavy line. And then down at the bottom, connect it, just like you did. Cool, now let's leave it just like that. And let's draw the saddle next. We're gonna add a little U shape on its back. Now piñatas are usually made with crepe paper and they look like they got this cool texture on them. So we need to draw that texture. We're gonna draw a zigzag line. We're gonna try to keep this simple. We're just gonna draw a simple zigzag line that goes across the ear, and we can also do it across the other ear too. Now let's add one more zigzag line at the bottom of the ear, and then we're gonna draw a zigzag line for the nose. So we're gonna come around, we're gonna do a wavy line that goes across the front of his nose, and we can add two ovals for the nostrils. Our piñatas are looking really cool.
Yeah.
All right, now let's add more stripes, more wavy lines. We're gonna draw one right across the head. Then we're gonna do another one on the neck. Let's add one more on the neck, right here. that connects to the back. Now we're gonna do one that goes across the whole body. Yeah, now we're gonna do one on the leg, on each of the legs. Let's do one on the front and the back. And then we also have to draw those wavy lines on the legs that are behind the body. There we go. Let's add one more down at the bottom. Now this one at the bottom, we're gonna color below it black. So it looks like the hooves for our donkey or our piñata. So let's color in this bottom part. Now the very last thing we need to do is draw the rope that's hanging our piñata up in the air. So I'm gonna draw a straight line that comes down and connects to its back. And I'm also gonna draw another one right next to that one. Now if you want, you could also add diagonal lines that go up so it looks like a rope. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our piñata, except we need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color him. He's gonna look so much better colored in. So I hope you guys at home are gonna take the time to pause the video at the end to color your piñatas too. Good job, Jack. You did awesome on coloring your piñata. It turned out really cool, didn't it?
Yeah.
Now, you guys at home could pause the video to match the same color. And you could also draw really cool things in the background, like you could draw little kids and maybe one's blindfolded with a bat. You could also change your drawing so that there's a crack in it, or maybe candy is falling out of your piñata.
We hope you have fun drawing your piñatas.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.